In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a photo to Leonardo AI Desktop. To get started, look at the prompt input bar in Leonardo AI. On the left edge of that bar, you'll see the image guidance icon. It looks like a plus sign combined with a small picture frame. Go ahead and click that icon to open the image attachment area. This is the tool you'll use whenever you want Leonardo to reference a photo as part of your generation. Once that panel appears, you'll see an upload image box. You can click that box to browse for your photo, or if it's easier, you can simply drag and drop an image directly from your desktop into the square upload area. Either method works, so just use whichever feels faster and more convenient. After the image is added, Leonardo will display it as a thumbnail so you can confirm that the correct file was uploaded. Next, choose your guidance type from the drop-down menu attached to that uploaded image thumbnail. This setting tells Leonardo how to use the photo. For example, image to image is useful when you want the final result to closely follow the original image. Character reference helps maintain the look of a person or subject, and style reference is helpful when you want Leonardo to borrow the overall visual style instead. After that, adjust the strength slider. This controls how strongly Leonardo should rely on the attached photo when creating the result. A lower strength gives the text prompt more influence, while a higher strength makes the uploaded image play a bigger role in the final output. If you're experimenting, it can be helpful to start somewhere in the middle and refine from there based on the results you get. Finally, type your text prompt into the prompt bar, then click Generate. Leonardo will use your prompt together with the attached image and the guidance settings you selected. That's all it takes to attach a photo in Leonardo AI Desktop and start creating more guided, controlled images.